Please extend your arm in a comfortable position, palm facing up, pass your hand through the cuff, and rest your elbow on the table. After tighten the cuff on the upper arm, open up the Wellgo Health app. Then at the same time, make sure the Bluetooth system in your phone is on. Click on the BP measurement icon and you'll see a Bluetooth icon. Click on it. At the same time, click on the power button at the blood pressure monitor. This step will help connecting the monitor with user's personal app and also activate the measurement functions. After measuring, the screen on the monitor will show the result and also uploaded the data towards user's app account. User could click on the online advice icon and review the advice that our AI system has generated.